Stuck on loading screen, Siege of Cairo, Conquest 0808. Battlefield 6 Beta, PS5, PC, Xbox issue. Game gets stuck on loading screen or black flickers when joining Siege of Cairo, Conquest map. Close quote. Exact fixed solution for stuck on loading screen, Siege of Cairo, Conquest. Step 1, clear game cache based on platform. PS5, 1, fully turn off the console, not rest mode. 2, unplug the power cable for at least 2 minutes. 3, plug back in and restart the console. 4, launch Battlefield 6 Beta again. Xbox Series X S, 1, turn off console, unplug power cable for 2 minutes. 2, plug in, power on console. 3, restart Battlefield 6 Beta. PC 1, press Windows R, type temp, delete all files. 2, again, press Windows R, type 10%, delete all files. 3, go to C/users, your name, and Battlefield 6 Beta, cache, if exists, delete contents. 4, reboot PC. Stash Step 2, avoid Siege of Cairo Conquest temporarily. Until EA patches it, do not queue for the Siege of Cairo map in Conquest mode. Instead, play other maps or modes like Breakthrough or smaller playlists. Open quote, this isolates the bug to the specific instance and avoids repeat crashes. Close quote. Step 3, turn off advanced video settings. PS5 Xbox, settings, screen and video output, resolution, set to 1080p, HDR off, VRR off, 120Hz off. PC, settings, graphics, set DirectX to DX11, not DX12, disable ray tracing, VSync, and DLSS, set to windowed borderless mode. Step 4, rebuild database, PS5 verify files, PC. PS5 rebuild database. 1, turn off PS5, hold power button until 2 beeps. 2, connect controller via USB, safe mode menu. 3, select rebuild database. SHAP PC file integrity check, EA app or Steam. Steam, right-click game, properties, local files, verify integrity. EA app, my collection, Battlefield 6, settings, repair. Step 5, update game plus report via BF Comms. Ensure the game and console PC are fully updated. Report the issue in-game or via EA Help. Please open your app to see this link to contribute to the fix rollout. Fix status. Users report successful match loading after clearing cache, avoiding the Cairo Conquest map, lowering video settings, rebuilding game system data. Open quote, this solution works for many players across PS5, PC, and Xbox experiencing the issue on or after August 8th during Battlefield 6 Beta.